Okay.
Are we good?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Bern. And this is my friends, the monster friends. We're here at Mabuhay's Hill. So we're getting hit our body. Here's Sharina. There. I will show you the spot. This is our spot. One of the speediest spot in Gensan. Mabuhay's Hill. Man, I'm so tired, man. A speed of 90 to 91.2%. It's all speed. Here. This is the spot. There's a couple ahead. That couple is Irwin and Lizzie. They're getting away from us so they could quickie, because the both of them are horny. Very, very horny. Horny, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah. There's Samayla Sampang. The Sampang Genius Skidin Kudo. Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost fell bored, man. I almost died. Alright. I'll check the spot. Here. This is the spot. This is the spot. Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Ah! Help! Ah! Oh my god! I don't know what to do. I'll stand up slide. I'll stand up slide. Oh my god. It's so speedy. The speed is very, 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 very. It's so outrageous. So I can't explain myself, and I can't explain the spot. The spot is very, very, very fast. Very fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Fast. There's a biker ahead. The biker is yelling at Jen. Hey Serena, hello. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. There's a crazy man ahead. Over there. He's calling me. Man, she's freaking out me. Fuck. Bye-bye.